the truth. Since turn out the lights from the world-class wrecking crew, I'm still at it after mathematics. In the home of drive-bys and acmatics. Swap meets.
Back with this second video, well, third video, however I put it together. This is the tool for that sensor, for the oil pressure sensor. All right, we got it put in, got it installed already. Clear the code, I ain't started up yet, but I cleared the code on it. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. It's reading right. There we go. We good now. We good. There it is. Let's see if I can find this code. It's going. I think it might tell me the whole code. Yeah, the codes was a PO 523. And the other one was the same thing. So that's the code you'll get for a faulty sensor or whatever. And changing that sensor right there. Or it was reading like high voltage or something like that. So it's faulty. So that's what you'll get for that when your oil pressure just drop down, man. Like I say, this car don't have nothing but right at 80-some thousand miles on it or whatever. But that's what'll happen, man, when it 9 times out of 10, just change the sensor, but most important, change the little small filter I showed you. And that's all the problem. As long as it's not tapping and all that stuff when your oil pressure just drop. But 9 times out of 10, it will be the sensor or the filter. And mostly it'd be the filter though, to be honest with you. But alright, that's the videos up on this. I'm done. I'm gonna holler at y'all. 96 on Poly SS. Let's talk.